everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here, back with one of these great informational videos. Today we're going to talk about one of probably the most asked questions when it comes to technical indicators. Now, remember, we're here to answer your questions to help you grow and evolve as a trader. So, as always, comment below if you like these videos, what you want to see in future videos, and really leave those questions. This topic for today came from many of the questions in the comments on these videos. And also, be sure to subscribe, and one of the most important things, ring that bell, the alerts bell, because what that'll do is notify you every time we post a new video. We do a lot of videos a week, 2, 3, 4, sometimes more, and the biggest reason I want you to ring that bell is we do live videos where we're live streaming stocks of the day, recapping the day. It's very timely information, so I want you to be there ASAP. So ring that bell and get notified. So today we're going to be talking about VWAP, volume weighted average price. Now, I'm not going to get into the math of it. You can Google it. There's a lot of great articles out there. Investopedia is a great resource. We're not affiliated with them, but it's a great website. So when it comes to the actual math of VWAP, I don't want to say I don't care. It is what it is. The reason I care about it and don't necessarily care about the math is I know 90% or maybe even higher of day traders are looking at VWAP. Wherever you go on VWAP or on YouTube, wherever you go on instructional materials, if you see screenshots of traders, you see people streaming online, you're going to see that line with VWAP on pretty much everybody's screen. That's significant to me because all technical indicators, at the end of the day, you're looking for them to become self-fulfilling prophecies. So I don't care about the math. I'm not going to break down the equation. If I'm looking at an indicator that I know the majority of the other traders are looking at, that heightens the potential that my trade is going to base itself off of that technical indicator. So add VWAP to your charts and look at it. Watch it through the day. Test. And the basic idea is you're seeing a ratio of volume to price, the two most important indicators. Volume and price, volume and price. You'll hear it over and over again. And this is an amalgamation, for lack of a better term, of the two. And as we're day trading through the day, we're looking at a stock above VWAP as a bullish indicator. This is a stock, I mean, there's a lot of factors you're looking at, but if a stock is above VWAP, it's a big gainer, it has news, and it's trending above VWAP late in the day, that's a potential buy. Now, for the short sellers out there, I think it's a great, probably one of the best indicators as a short seller, because now on the flip side, as you go into that afternoon and you've got that big gainer stock, it's been fading back most of the middle of the day in the afternoon, and then it breaks VWAP, it breaks below. That tells you that the momentum's leaving. Most of the buyers are out. Everyone wants out because they had that big gainer in the morning. They're taking profits and they're exiting. Selling begets selling. Odds are, the more traders want out, the lower that stock's going to go. And as a short, you can start shorting into that VWAP fail. Your risk, this is why I love it for a short selling indicator, your risk, your stop, then becomes that reclaim of VWAP. So let's say stock spikes from 2 to 250 and then into the afternoon, VWAP is at that $2 level. Stock breaks below. You short into the 190s, 180s. You're hoping the stock's going to wash out into the close. Now, not all trades work. You got to have a stop. You got to stick to it. If that stock reclaims that VWAP at that 2 level, you now have a clearly defined stop. You now know your trade is busted. You stop out and you move on. That's one of the biggest reasons I love VWAP as a daily indicator. It's showing you the momentum. It's showing you, for lack of a better term, the money flow. What's going on with this stock? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? So, hope this was useful. Comment below. Do you use VWAP? I'd like to know. I think everyone, I mean anybody that is a short-term trader, you know, day trader, swing trader, multi-day, multi-week even, should be looking at VWAP. Comment below, do you use VWAP? And leave those questions. I want to answer every question. We read every comment. I reply to almost every comment. We want to cater these videos to you. Subscribe, ring that bell, and be notified for the next video, and thanks a lot. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.